for a quick recipe to use, and if you hate the taste of apple cider vinegar, go ahead and give this a try. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel today. So today I'm going to be doing a requested video, which is another apple cider vinegar video. So that's right, I have another easy recipe for you guys to do at home to help you detoxify and to help you lose weight. And this time is going to be a nice, refreshing summer drink, and I'm going to show you guys everything you need. So of course you're gonna need some water. This is a really big water bottle that I found at Ross Dress for Less, and I've really been drinking my water with this. So that's the first thing you're gonna need for this recipe is water. The second thing you're gonna need is, of course, the apple cider vinegar, but not any apple cider vinegar, with the mother. So you wanna make sure that you're seeing all of these nutrients inside of the apple cider vinegar before you actually make the purchase. This has all the nutrients in it, and all apple cider vinegars with the mother, those are the kinds that treats our body right, and those are the nutrients that we actually need to get the results that we want. And today I'll be using the White House brand. I did pick this up at the Dollar Tree. I do need to get me some more of the Bragg's kind, but honestly you guys, it all tastes the same. But this is my first time actually using the White House, and I love it so far. And then you're gonna need some type of measuring tool. I'm just gonna be using one of these. It looks like a little spoon, and this is 1 tablespoon. And then you're also gonna need drink packets. Today I have the crushed pineapple, and then I also have the Weiler's Light Strawberry Lemonade. Now today, for this video, I'll be using this one, the Weiler's brand. I got both of those from the Dollar Tree. But what I do like about this Weiler's brand is that it is only, let's see how many calories. This is only 5 calories. So it has like 2 grams of carbs in it, no fat, no sodium, no sugar, none of that stuff. So yeah, like I said, 1 stick is only 5 calories, and I really love strawberry lemonade. So this is really great for me, and not to have such sugary drinks. So this is the perfect option for you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pour 8 ounces of water into our glass. And now I'm gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up just to make sure I get those nutrients that I need. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this one. And I'm just gonna do 1 more tablespoon. Now you can do like 1 to 3 tablespoons, however you prefer. When I normally drink apple cider vinegar, I normally do 2 tablespoons. I either do it once a day or I do it twice a day, just depending on how I feel. Just go open this little packet. And like I said, it is the Weiler's Light Strawberry Lemonade packet. And you just tear it. These things never tear straight across for me, like never. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour this. And I'm just gonna use the little measuring tool that I use to actually put the apple cider vinegar, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it up and let you guys know how I like it. Woo! I actually really do love it. What I like about it is that you can't really taste the apple cider vinegar, but you're still getting all the nutrients and all the benefits that you need. So if you're looking for a quick recipe to use, and if you hate the taste of apple cider vinegar, go ahead and give this a try. If your favorite is strawberry lemonade, take you a strawberry lemonade packet, put it in your water and put your apple cider vinegar, girl. Or if you like Crush, if you like Crystal Light, different flavors, just try any packets and let me know how you guys like the taste of it. I honestly can taste just a tad, just a little hint of apple cider vinegar, but it's nothing to really complain about. It's nothing to make me feel like, oh, I'm gonna stop drinking it. So I definitely recommend you hit this drink for the summer if you're trying to detoxify your body. And also I do recommend getting a big water bottle. I know for me, water is a hard thing to do, but just get you a cute bottle, girlfriend, and you can go ahead and drink your water all day long. You can put regular water in here, and even if you want to put this recipe in a big water bottle and have it at work and just sip on it throughout the day, that's an easy way to start getting accustomed to the apple cider vinegar. Just sip on it just a little bit throughout the day. But this is pretty much the recipe, you guys. Like I said, absolutely love it, and I do recommend you guys to try it if you're looking for a new recipe for apple cider vinegar. So thank you guys so much, and I will be bringing you another apple cider vinegar video in the next probably 2 to 3 days, so stay on the lookout for that, and I'm super excited for them. So thank y'all so much. Give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.